Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. So I have some things to tell you, my viewers and subscribers. Some of these things that I'm about to tell you might be surprising to some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find some of these things to be odd, or you might say, sure, I just one of those things. You see it? Anyways, so I got the understanding that the police within the country of Jamaica are asking relatives of a man who was killed in Crossroads, Kingston 5, Jamaica on July 8th, the year 2021 to come forward to confirm his identity and claim his body. So I got the understanding that this man lost his life when him and another person attempted to rob the driver of a bus, or the driver and the conductor of a bus. That's the understanding that I got now, my people. See? So according to the police, it is said that the police then find an identification card on the person who died, or the deceased. See? And the name on the identification card is Shay Green, and it's said to be 36-year-old. Our address is also on the card, viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to really mention the address, but the address is within the Kingston and St. Andrew area. You see? But here is the thing now, when we really and truly want to make you understand about this whole situation now, my people. See? So according to the information that I got, it is said that on July 8th, the year 2021, sometime at about 5:30 p.m., Green and another male boarded a coaster bus and demanded money from the driver. It is said that the conductor see Wagwan and ran off the bus, and allegedly it is said that Green chased the conductor. However, it is said that when Green chased the conductor along the roadway in the direction of a place known as Carib 5, right? It is said that the bus driver reportedly reversed the bus. It is said that the bus driver reportedly reversed the bus into the lay-by, and that is when Green turned and ran towards the bus. Then it is said that Green got hit by the door of the bus and he fell, and the bus ran over him. You heard what I said, my people? Yeah, so it is said that after that happened, the driver of the bus alerted the police and Green was taken to a hospital where he was pronounced dead. Now, I didn't get any information if Green or the other person who attempted to rob the bus driver and the conductor had any weapon. No, I didn't get any information if they had any weapon at all. So it's like the police them appeal to relatives of the deceased to come and claim the body and confirm the deceased identity. So basically, them a go buy a identification card that them find on him. You saw me I said to you, people. Yeah, one of them news, yeah, you see me. So me now go to jump to conclusion, but this sound away because to my understanding is about 4 months now. That man died and relatives don't claim the body of that person who died. That's according to the information that I got, my people. Tell me what you think about a situation like that, my people. Come here, I tell you the truth, you know. If me have a family member who go out, they go do foolishness, you know. Me no business with them, you know. See, and then the first me I hear about a situation like this though, but not 4 months though. Alright, so let's move on to another topic here, my people. Is it? Listen carefully now. Now, ever since this whole cult ritual church thing happened, quite a number of persons give some information about Kevin Smith and talk about some things that he had done and some things that he told them to do and all these things. All right. Now, my people, I got the understanding that a person recently during an interview said that Kevin Smith told him to put him, Kevin Smith, on his insurance policy as a beneficiary. And according to some more things that the person said, I got the understanding that he said that he had done so. And this person that I'm talking about is said to be a person who is or was a member of Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries. I also got the understanding that the person during an interview said all these things, and that the person told the host of the interview that Kevin Smith told him to put Kevin Smith, on his children insurance policies, and that he had done so too. The person who said all these things, my people, said these things while keeping his identity a secret. The person didn't want to reveal his identity while talking about these things, And I can respect that. See, now my people, for those who have followed all of these situations that involves Kevin Smith, I wonder if you remember about this whole beneficiary thing between the female who died, who goes by the name of Tanika Gardner, and the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith, who also died as well too. For those who have followed all of these situations that involves Kevin Smith, I wonder if you remember, my people, pick sense out of nonsense. I wonder if you really and truly I see a pattern in this thing. And even though this person lost his life, his name is still being talked about a lot, not only on social media, but out there in the world. My people, just to make you know about that, alright? So I'm going to move on to another topic. So I got information that a 25-year-old man had been killed during a gun battle between police officers and gunmen within the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. I got the understanding that the incident happened on Wednesday, the 27th of October, the year 2021. And it is said that the 25-year-old man who died goes by the name of Dwayne Garden. It is said that he is from Seaforth in the parish of St. Thomas, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, preliminary reports are that sometime after 12 p.m. on the 27th of October, the year 2021, a group of men allegedly opened fire on police officers who take action and return fire. It is said that during the crossfire, Garden was reportedly hit, and he was taken to a hospital where he had been pronounced dead. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is said that it is not clear if Garden was among those gunmen who opened fire at the police, no, viewers and subscribers, but it is said that he had been shot and he was pronounced dead at a hospital. So, just a little know the information that I got about that situation, viewers and subscribers, and it is said that investigation are being done by Indicom do their investigation. As you may say, yes. So I just am gonna left with you, my people. So big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see.